Hey everyone, and welcome back to our Rebuilding Your Foundation series. I'm so glad you're here. Last time, we took a deep dive into defining our core values and unearthing our unique purpose. We talked about how understanding our why and guarding our hearts, as Proverbs 4:23 instructs, is absolutely essential for everything we do to flow from a place of clarity and intention. If you did the work of reflecting on your peak moments and non negotiables and started to articulate your why, give yourself a huge pat on the back. That is truly foundational work. Now that we know what we're building on, our values, and why we're building, our purpose, the next logical step is to figure out how to start making that vision a reality. This brings us to today's topic: setting smart goals with a kingdom mindset. As entrepreneurs, we are often overflowing with ideas, a million different directions we could go. But the problem with being all over the place is that while we might be busy, we're not always productive in the most impactful way. Without clear goals, even the clearest purpose can remain just a dream. The Bible, surprisingly, is full of examples of clear vision and strategic planning. Think about Nehemiah rebuilding the wall of Jerusalem. He had a clear goal, a plan, and he executed it despite opposition. Or Jesus himself, who had a clear mission and purpose, and every action aligned with it. One scripture that guides my thinking here is Habakkuk 2:2-3. It says, "Then the Lord replied, 'Write down the revelation and make it plain on tablets so that a herald may run with it. For the revelation awaits an appointed time. It speaks of the end and will not prove false. Though it linger, wait for it. It will certainly come and will not delay.'" Write down the revelation, make it plain. This isn't just about prophetic words, it's about having a clear vision and making it actionable. God gives us the vision, but we have a role in making it plain and then taking action. It's about setting our sights on something specific. So, how do we take our purpose and translate it into actionable, God honoring steps? We use the SMART goal framework, but with a kingdom mindset. Setting SMART goals with a kingdom mindset. Let's break down how to do this for your personal and professional growth. S is for specific. Your goal needs to be clear and well defined. Instead of, "I want to grow my business," aim for, "I will launch a new real estate workshop for first time buyers by the end of Q3. Kingdom mindset. How does this specific goal serve others? How does it align with your purpose to bring order, empower, or bless? Clarity in goal setting helps us avoid aimless activity and ensures we're focused on actions that truly matter. M is for measurable. How will you know if you've achieved your goal? You need criteria for tracking progress. For the workshop example, it could be, "I will host the workshop with 20 registered attendees." Kingdom mindset, measurement isn't just for earthly success, it helps us evaluate our stewardship of time and resources. It allows us to give thanks for progress and identify areas where we need to pray for wisdom or adjust our approach. A is for achievable. Your goal should be challenging but realistic. It's great to dream big, but an achievable goal keeps you motivated. "I will sign 5 new clients this quarter" is achievable. "I will sign 500 new clients next week" is likely not. Kingdom mindset. This acknowledges our human limitations while trusting in God's provision. We stretch ourselves, but we also lean on Him. It's about operating in faith, not fantasy. It also means being wise stewards of our energy and not setting ourselves up for burnout. R is for relevant. Does this goal truly align with your core values and your overall purpose? Is it meaningful to you? For me, launching a workshop is relevant because it empowers people, which aligns with my purpose of bringing order and education. Kingdom mindset. Is this goal aligned with God's will for your life? Does it contribute to His kingdom in some way, directly or indirectly? If a goal doesn't resonate with your spirit or contribute to your greater calling, it's likely a distraction, not a step forward. T is for time bound. Every goal needs a deadline. This creates urgency and accountability. I will launch the new real estate workshop by September 30th. Kingdom mindset, understanding that there is an appointed time for revelation, as Habakkuk says. Deadlines help us to be diligent and make the most of the time we've been given, recognizing that our days are numbered and opportunities are temporal. My advice is to pick just 1 to 3 SMART goals for the next 90 days. As entrepreneurs, we often think we need to do everything at once, but to move from all over the place to structured and organized, focus is your superpower. By concentrating on a few key goals, you're more likely to see significant progress and build momentum. Remember, God has a purpose for your life, and setting clear, specific goals is a powerful way to partner with Him in bringing that purpose to fruition. It's about being a faithful steward of the gifts, talents, and opportunities He's given you. I encourage you to take one of those big dreams you have, or perhaps an area where you feel scattered, and apply the SMART framework to it. Try to define 1 3 SMART goals for the next 90 days. Share one of your new SMART goals in the comments below. I'd love to celebrate your intention with you. Thank you so much for joining me today. If this episode helped you clarify your next steps, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future episodes. Until next time, keep writing your vision, making it plain, and running with it. God bless.